Hi everyone, in today's video, I would like to explain about the settings of RoyalQ. Not many people understand how this bot is running and ended up with huge floating losses and waiting for the market to rebound. Therefore, I would like to go through some of the settings to help them out. I am not a financial advisor or have any affiliation with this company. My content is intended to be used and must be used for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. So let's get into the settings right now. As you can see, there are multiple settings, and we are going to go through them one by one. The first order amount is the amount of USDT you want to use to purchase the coin at the price it is at. Double open position is to ×2 the first order amount once it has closed a position successfully. The number of calls is the number of times you want to buy when the market dips. Example: when the market dips every 2%, you want the bot to buy more until the 15th time. Take profit ratio is when the market rises to a certain percentage to take profit. Example: when market rise to 1.3%, you want the bot to sell at a profit. Now we will talk about the callbacks where people usually get confused at. Earnings callback is triggered when take profit ratio is hit. The price is allowed to go higher to secure more profits. However, once it goes back to the take profit ratio, or drops by a 0.2%, it will sell and take profit. Callback is for when the margin call drop percentage has reached the first call. It will try to open a new position to lower the average price. However, it allows the percentage to drop even lower to get the best dip possible. After it drops to the lowest point and recovers by 0.4%, it will then open a new buy position to lower the average price. I will explain more of this in the later part of the video. I also switched on advanced settings for my own suitable needs. Margin call drop is when the percentage of the coin falls, and it will trigger a new buy order to lower the price. Margin call multiple is to multiply the buy order amount to reduce the average cost even more. Example: first order amount is 10 USDT. The price drops by 2% and it will open a buy order of 10 times 1.05, which equals to 10.5 USDT. Now, moving back to the earnings callback and callback, I will show a scenario of how this whole settings work. For example, I have my buy order position placed, and the price went up by 1.3%. It then drops by 0.2%, so it will take the profit of 1.1%. However, if the price continues to go up, such as it went up by another 3.7%, it will leave the position open such that when it drops by 0.2%, it will add up all the profit and minus 0.2%, giving us a 4.8% of profit. Next, in the scenario where the market dips, it dips by 2% and it will get ready to trigger the next buy order. However, it will wait for the market to go back up by 0.4% so that it shows a sign of reversal and enter the second buy order to lower down the average price. It then waits for it to give a profit of 1.3% or higher, and when the market drops by 0.2%, it will quickly sell and take the profit. What if the market continues to dip even more, such that it dips into a 6% loss without retracing 0.4%? The second buy order trigger will wait for it to go to the lowest point, and when a 0.4% of increase happens, it will then place a buy order, hence reducing the average price to even lower. It then does the same where it waits for the price to go above 1.3% of the new average price and then drops by 0.2%, which it will sell the position to take profit. This is my current settings I used to run my bot. It is able to take up about 30% of a fall once it reaches its max call, and the max amount of margin used is about 167.5 USDT to 175 USDT for each coin. I am sure that there are better settings outside, but this suits me well. We have come to the end of today's video. If you find this useful, please share it to your friends, drop a like and subscribe to the channel.